Run. I can run fast. Jump. He jumps high. Walk. We walk to school. Eat. He eats an apple. Drink. I drink water. Sleep. The baby sleeps well. Read. I read a book. Write. She writes a letter. Sing. They sing a song. Dance. I love to dance. Talk. He talks to his friend. Listen. She listens to music. Cook. I cook dinner. Clean. We clean the room. Play. The kids play inside. Laugh. She laugh a lot. Cry. The baby cries loudly. Open. I open the door. Throw. He throws the ball. Catch. He catches the ball. Climb. We climb the tree.
Swim. He swims in the pool. Ride. I ride a bicycle. Draw. She draws a cat. Build. They build a house. Watch. I watch TV. Help. He helps his mom. Teach. She teaches English. Learn. I learn new words. Wake. He wakes up early.